Welcome to another video in the Ideal Auto Factory. Today, this is going to be a quick one, but today we are going to cover fuzzy slippers. We call them house wheels, house shoes. Pretty much, we're going to put Velcro on these drift tires. So, keep God first. Let's get into the video. I think I saw this on Facebook one time, but honestly, I didn't try it because I didn't have a reason to, but my garage does not stay empty long enough for me to enjoy drifting regularly. So I was like, what way can I enjoy this RC car a little more often without having to clean my garage every single time I go drifting? And so introduce Velcro. So we have Velcro here. This Velcro is the regular kind. You can see there, got the good old soft side, not the grid pattern side. So not the sticky side, not that side, but the carpet side. And I will show you the product. You'll see me grabbing it from off of the shelf in Walmart. So I got this from Walmart, and then I also was like, what can I do now? So I was like, I got some wheels that I could use. I thought about using my King of the Streets 2023 drift tires, but I was like, nah. Those are forever like keepers. They go on display. You know what I mean? Can't be covering those up because the adhesive is pretty strong on this. So what you want to do is you want to get yourself 4 tires that are on their last leg, or maybe they're not track spec, so they're not the spec tire for a track or something, or maybe it's just those spare tires that are just too flatted out or whatever. But you grab yourself a set 4, and then what you're going to do next is you're going to go ahead and measure the width of that said tire, and then you're going to mark it. I don't really mark it. I just kind of go like this, and I'm like, looks about right there. But let me make it all professional. Let me show you on the other side. Let me flip the camera so you can see. So you get yourself a drift tire here. Here's my drift tire, and here's my too wide of a tape. And so I'm gonna measure up, and I'm just gonna. It has adhesive on the back, so you don't want to just waste it all, right? Because you could make a lot of sets of these. So what I'm doing, you see there, all right, you see there. So I'm gonna go about right here. Now for the magic of camera, I've already pre-cut this, so I know my width. And then I'm gonna use my body scissors. We ain't gotta go buy nothing extra. So I use my body scissors. I'm gonna go ahead and finish making this cut all the way down the rest. Yeah, you get the idea, right? So making this cut, I'm not going for perfection, but I want to at least make sure I get, the right width. So there we have it. We have the width of the tire. See? Nice width of the tire. And what we're going to do is take that there backing paper, that protective layer off. Make sure your tire's clean. Mine's brand new, so it's pretty clean. Oh, so close. And we have success. All right. So now that we have that, look at that. It's got a nice little line right there, so we'll put it on that line there. Ooh, that looks good. And I do this like how I do tire tape. The tire foam that you put on the inside of your tire. So I do it just like that. I pull it nice and tight. I make sure it goes around nice and even. This is how I do my tire tape on the inside. I go like that all the way around. Keep it going. See, because you see that little buckle right there? See that little buckle? You don't want your buckle that buckle to end up on your tire. So you want to make sure you pull it tight, wrap it around, and then when you get to the end, see that? You get to the end there. Let's get to the end, get that nice touch right there. So I'm like actually going over it some more. See that sticky? Ooh. Pull it back some. How far back? Till we see the tire again. And we'll make a cut. Kind of where the stickiness is, but you guys get the idea. I don't think this one's too hard to do here. But yeah, you go ahead and you make that cut there. You don't want to have that adhesive on top, because then it'll make a bumpy noise instead of being quiet. But yeah, that's how you put the tape on there, the Velcro on the tire. So now this is technically now a carpet tire, but in reverse. So you bring the carpet to the track, not the carpet. You bring the carpet to the car, not the car to the carpet. Yeah, there you go. I said it right. You guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, this is how you do it. This is how you put one on. So I've already done this 4 times already. I wanted to do this on YouTube because I feel like it would help a lot of people. Please comment down below if you find this useful and therefore want to drive at home instead of at the track all the time, because I think this helps with that a lot, especially if you're not home alone and you have family and you have a wife or you have someone who cares about the floors, because with this on you don't scratch the floor. So let me get my 4 actual tires that I made already, and then I'm going to put them on to the D6 over here, and then I'm going to go drive. All right, let's take some tires off. There's no tire foam on these wheels here, so it should be pretty quick to get them off and on. I'd like to say, if you've made it this far into the video, thank you for watching. But not only watching, thank you for sticking with this channel as it grows. I'm definitely transitioning into thinking about you all more than I think about myself, and it's been a great time to experience what happens when you do that. So, you know, it's all about serving others, right? So, all right, we got the first 2 on back here, and now let's go to the front there. Yeah, look at that. Oh, looks so good. All right, you're coming off. There no fall now. Got the MSD tire right there. And on the other side, so you took that tire off. Place another one on. Ooh, those front tires are loose. Look at that. We got four Velcro, or shall I say fuzzy slippers. We got 4 house shoes on. So now that we got the 4 house shoes on, let's give it a little plug up the battery. Let's turn it on. I mean, it's just tires, right? So, ooh. It's just tires. So the car should work fine. There's nothing crazy about that. Now let's go inside and let's have a little fun. And there you have it. Fuzzy slippers, house shoes, Velcro stuck to your tires. Whatever you want to call it. This has been a great one. I enjoyed making it. I hope you all got something beneficial from this. If you did, leave a comment below. I'm telling you right now, I am enjoying drifting in the house because it's quiet. And you know how drifting is like relaxing at a certain point, you know, despite the competitions, all this other stuff. There's fun drifting overall, yeah, at the track and stuff. But being able to drift in your house and it's quiet, I mean, you heard it. It's not loud at all. Granted, I don't have an AccuVance motor or, you know, something, an open can 10.5 T with the boost and turbo going crazy like that. But that was, it was like a light, nice, subtle sound. And it didn't scratch the floors. You didn't hear any like marring of anything. It was just a nice sound and a great drift inside the house. I kind of forgot I was recording for a second, so I apologize. But hey, thank you all for watching this video. Big things are coming. We're on our way. We are on our way to 3,000 subscribers. And I really enjoy that you all are interacting and enjoying the videos that are coming out. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for being on this journey with me. And I would love to catch you on the next video. So keep God first. Peace.